To fit your snappy lateral, first ensure you have the correct back height, as you may not be able to adjust this with the lateral fitted. Then take your coach bolt and put them in both slots on the lateral, and then paste the lateral through either slot in the seat and the cover on the side of the snappy. Then place the washer over both bolts and secure the lateral with the hand wheels. To adjust the position of your lateral, loosen the two hand wheels at the back, then you'll be able to adjust the height and the width of the lateral. When you have the position you require, tighten the two hand wheels at the back until the lateral is secure.